sun is late today, but I don't mind, do you? I used to chase the thunder, wanted to own the sky, building paper mountains just to feel that high. But now the dust has settled on my restless shoes. I'm finding all the magic in the things I lose.
Soft light, morning breath, a quiet kind of grace.
Trading every finish line for this embrace.
Youth was a loud song we used to sing so fast. Now I like the silence, built to finally last.
Let those old ambitions fade like ink in the rain. We're just ghosts of the people who live for the pain. Just a simple life, a soft place to land, holding nothing but the warmth of your hand. It's enough, isn't it?
I remember the fire, the never sleep nights, chasing ghosts of glory under city lights. Thought my name had to echo, thought I needed the roar. Now I'm just a man who doesn't keep score. One by one, the trophies turned to gray. The hunger in my belly slowly ebbed away. It's not defeat, it's just a different kind of win. To let the evening air in the stillness in. Grown up heart, no more armor on my chest. Finding all my power in a moment of rest. Ambition's just a shadow of a boy I used to be. Now the only world I'm saving is you and me. Look at us.
It is so boring.
Boring never felt so good, babe.
Let those old ambitions fade like ink in the rain. We're just ghosts of the people who live for the pain. Just a simple life, a soft place to land, holding nothing but the warmth of your hand. Stay under the covers. The world can solve itself today.